Going to be replacing the two accessory belts here. It's a 2014 Ford Focus. You have the belt going down to the compressor, and then your Serpentine belt. This new tool by Lyle, this should help take off our stretch belt here, which is going to be the hardest one to remove. And this is the part number for the new one, but this only works for Ford Focus manufactured after February 2014 and newer. If you have the older one, it's a different part for this stretch belt. Okay, I believe this is how it goes. So we have the words remove. So I think we place it like that. And we rotate this clockwise, of course, and it should pop it off. Cobbled this together. 21. I'm reducing down to a 3/8 because I like my icon. And I don't have a 1/2 inch yet. Pop that on. There it goes. Oh, I thought it was going. Maybe I need to help it. There it goes. That was not hard at all. Boom. That worked so well. Alright, now we do the actual serpentine part. And this is a 13mm. Put it on your tensioner. So get it on there. And you just rotate it forward. Rotate it forward, and you can pop the belt off. Maybe. There it goes. Okay, now we can pull this bad boy off. Okay, so with these new belts, they're made of EPDM, so they won't crack or anything like that, like the old rubber. But they do wear down like a tire. I'm not sure if this will even show up. So if you look at the spacing between the ribs, you can see the left side, the spacing is really big compared to the right. Alright, got the belt situated. It's pretty easy to diagram. And pretty good. Thinking we got the AC belt, and I think it goes, see, it says install, so I think it goes like that. And I'll put the belt in here first. So we put it down there. Okay. I think it's something like that. Stay on. Wow, that was so easy.